This video demonstrates how to use Ally to add alt text to an image in your Brightspace course. Please note that in Ally, alt text is called a description for the image. Let's start with a standalone image added into your course as content. Notice the Ally dial indicating the current accessibility score for this content. Red is a sign of something in need of improvement. Click on the dial to prompt more information to appear on the right side of your browser. In this case, our problem is we're missing a description. Add the image description directly into the provided box. Below the box, you have the option to mark the image as decorative instead of writing a description. You should only check this box if the image contains no meaningful educational value to your students and is only on the page to enforce a page layout. Ally will also check for alt text on images within the materials you're sharing with students, such as Microsoft Word docs and PowerPoint slides. In these cases, add the alt text within the original files and then re-upload them. Please note, Ally cannot review the quality of the alt text you're providing. It is only checking for the presence of alt text. For help figuring out what to say in your image description, please review Ally's How to Write a Good Description content. We also recommend checking out our Alt Text 101 doc for additional guidance. Thanks for adding alt text to your images. That helps every student in your course, regardless of disability status, experience them and benefit from them.